morning. Our bird is broken. He thinks he is taking a bath.
Oh, good morning, good morning.
In his toy. Oh, he knows that we're watching him now. He's all fluffed up and he's like rubbing his body on his toy. He's like, I'm taking a bath. What are you doing? Cornelius, what are you doing? You know you're about to be sprayed down, right? He's gonna go up your arm. What is happening in here?
This is his nest now.
He's making a nest?
In the towel that I
He
dried
usually
him.
hates the towel.
Yeah.
Cornelius. He has a nest now.
Hi, welcome back to Chef Gabriel. Today, I'm going to be doing the making lunch requirement for my cooking merit badge. So, let's get to it.
I have not vlogged for several hours. And so Horatio and I, once he got off work, we were full on adulting, right?
Yeah.
Full on adulting. We have some home repairs that need attending to. We need a new roof. That's the first thing. And so, and we don't want to drain all of our money. So we went to the bank and just to ask questions about things. And now we have fully adulted and like are going down the path of what is it called? The home equity line of credit or whatever. So that is happening. We're so adulty. Okay, taking a walk. You can hear cicadas and crickets now. So definitely the sign of summer coming to an end. Okay, we're watching the bear.
Rawr.
And I think that I have just watched one of my favorite scenes on television. It's in the wedding episode when they're talking to the daughter. If you have not watched The Bear, if you do not watch The Bear, you should watch The Bear. If you have not watched the newest season and you watch that show, you should. And the wedding scene, wedding episode has this scene that is just, I love it. Final clip. All right. So we're still watching The Bear. I still love it. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I've got work stuff. I think that we're going to go to the beach, specifically for, sunset time. So I'm very much looking forward to that. So until tomorrow.